Hey everyone, welcome back to the Soft Reviewed YouTube channel. If you're new to editing videos, you likely find it overwhelming hunting for the right software. Between complex interfaces, steep learning curves, and expensive pricing of tools like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, it's frustrating as a beginner. Well, I've got awesome news for you. There's an online platform called Veed that makes video editing super simple even with zero experience. Think of it as Canva, but for creating stunning videos with all the features you need in one place. Best part? Veed is running an exclusive New Year offer with 30% off on annual plans for a limited time. In this video, we'll explore why Veed is the perfect entry-level video editor, how the intuitive interface gets you editing fast, and how to redeem the hot 30% promo code deal before it expires. Let's dive in. For starters, Veed makes video production incredibly easy thanks to the clean, uncluttered layout. Within minutes, you can orient yourself to start combining clips, images, audio, and more into professional-grade videos. The logical tool organization ensures even as a total beginner you won't get lost. It beats the bloated dashboards of complex software hands down when it comes to the learning curve. Being a 100% cloud-based editor means no downloads either. You can access Veed from any modern browser on phones, tablets, and laptops, too. Perfect for using on the go! But what really makes Veed stand out is the AI power under the hood. It accurately generates subtitles, stabilizes shaky clips, removes annoying background noise, and handles a bunch of tedious editing tasks automatically. This means you spend less time correcting issues manually and more time unleashing creativity with Veed's options like video templates, animations, stock media library access, and more. Unlike traditional video software requiring separate add-ons for various tools, Veed consolidates essential features for social media-style videos in a single unified editor. You get capabilities like an AI eye contact app to redirect your eyes to the camera, read scripts unnoticeably, add voice dubbing to your video online in a few clicks, translate the spoken audio to multiple languages instantly, online avatar generator, choose an avatar, select a voice, and animate. One-click video background noise removal. Achieve a crisp, studio-quality sound. An expansive media library with music, videos, graphics, and more to incorporate. Rival editing platforms simply can't match this breadth of beginner-friendly tools, swift export speeds, wide format compatibility, and convenience. And the steep 30% limited-time discount makes Veed very affordable for unlocking Hollywood-style video production capabilities. So if you're looking for an easy online editing platform equipped with every tool to make killer videos, don't sleep on this excellent Veed New Year deal. As you can see, this is the normal pricing for Veed, but if you use the link given in the description, you can get a 30% off on the Pro and Business annual plans. By claiming this limited time discount, you can save more than $200. The special link for the discount is in the description. So don't wait, take advantage of this offer right now. Time and offer waits for no one. Level up your editing game and save money. It's a win-win for sure. Got any doubts about using Veed as a video editing beginner? Fire away in the comments. Smash the like button if this was useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.